Okay, guys, they want to know how many provinces are Philippines, but I'm only kaya ko lang, ha? Because I'm from Philippines. So, okay. How many provinces in the Philippines? I don't know. How many? You will Burnat, 81, Abracalin, Aurora, Laguna, Bagina, Ifgo, Isabela, Bagsinas, Lubirin, Ikitakayan, Bulacan, Palawan, Bahangas, Bol, Emaras, Gusnorte, Grosor, Capiz, Amas, Martilocos, Ramber, Tawis, Sarangkal, Nutis, Sir Sogon, the Twin Families, Bukidnon. These are the Philippine provinces, the that we come from the Mabuhay. These are the Philippine provinces. There are 7,107 islands. The Bawin Sarangkal, pa kaya, guys. So, kaya nyo daw, guys. So, kung kaya nyo, hindi ko kaya, dito pa lang.